Shmai Pab, Alan Dewey, doing Dodaway Werthon. Hi folks, my name's Alan and I'm from Ireland. I started learning Welsh with Say Something Welsh last February during the lockdown, so it's been a year, just over a year, and it's been a great experience. It's a great structure. You get your emails every week, and you've got the whole week then on your own way to work through them and learn them, enjoy them, with the help of sessions every day, 5 days a week, a few sessions each day, finding one that suits you, working your way up from the basic one, question and answers. So it's all there for you. Any question you have asked at any level, you can go back to that level and reset your sounds and your structures and any things that you were having any difficulties with, whether it be how to negotiate your way through the Zoom or the Slack or whatever it is, the situation. It's all, there's lots of help, and there's other people out there who've been through the exact same thing as you, so they are more than happy to help you and help anybody. So yeah, it's been a great experience, one that I've been enjoying. Also met good friends, without a doubt. A group of friends we meet every Saturday morning, and on a Zoom chat. It's supposed to be a half an hour. We'll be there for hours, and sometimes we do some Welsh. But again, so that's another aspect, and that's kind of invaluable. It's a bit of a knockoff to it. You pay your £10, you get your emails and your conversations, but the other things that's outside of that is just amazing as well. There's sessions as well for people who want to talk about maybe photography, and there's a singing session. So there's so much involved in it. But like I said, learning language is difficult. There's going to be bumps along the road. You're going to struggle, but there's people there to help you, people who've came across the same bumps, and they're going to just smooth that out a bit for you, and then you'll do the same for someone else, and so on and so on. And before you know it, you're speaking Welsh bit by bit, sentence by sentence, talking about yourself, asking other people things, talking about the rugby, talking about what you did at the weekend. And that's what we do when we talk to our friends in whatever language we use. You know, that's just, how did it go at the weekend? What did you do? Did you see that film last night? Say Something Else gives you those tools to use that structure in a very kind of subtle but building up way, repetitive way, which suits me, you know. But find the structure within the structure, if it makes sense, to let it suit you. And it can, it's adaptable. So yeah, I've thoroughly enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to continue on with Say Something Else until I get fluent. That is my plan. I head over to Wales sometimes, or sometime. It's not that far away, but you know, it's doable for anybody who would decide to wants to learn this beautiful language. All I can say is dip your toe in and have a look at it and try it and see, and how bad.